Hi, I'm Mary Jo Boyd, here with another eBite from Attorney Computer Systems. Today's eBite is in Worldox. Today I'm going to show you in Worldox GX4 how to use the filter button at the bottom of the screen. This used to be called tags, and it's the same function, but I want to show you how it looks a little bit different in Worldox GX4. So I am in my Worldox main screen, and I'm just going to bring up all of my favorite matters here real quick, just show all my favorites. So I have a list on the screen. Now this could be a list for a particular matter or a department or forms or HR or accounting, whatever list that you have up on the screen, we can use the filter button so that we can then search through this a little bit faster. So the filter button is down here at the bottom toolbar. This used to be called tags in GX3 and earlier, and that would be over, and it was located over here on the right. Now they've changed the name to filters, and if I click on that, it looks just like my tags looked. So now I can go through and say, I just want to see all of the Word documents, and it will instantly sort my list to that. I could say I want to see all of the documents for a certain client, or I want to see all of the documents for a certain person, author, typist. I can go down a little further and do it by doc type. I just want to see all of the emails. I just want to see all of the licenses. I just want to see all of whatever combination of these things, all of the license document types that I did. And I haven't done any that Paul did. There aren't any. So it just depends on what you're looking for. I want to see all the emails that I saved, and I don't have any of those either. So it just depends on what we have here, on what we're looking for. But whoever is the author or the typist is going to be what's on there. I guess I need it to be down here. I'm on the wrong field. There's all the emails that I did. There we go. And so on. So this is where you can combine and see different things with that, that filter. The larger the type, means there's more documents of that type or for that person. Whatever the type is, if I hover over, you can see for me, there's 106 documents in here that I was the author on. Emails, there are 100 email document types on this particular list that I'm looking at. If I were using categories, categories would show up here as a way to filter as well. If I want to just see doc types or certain client or description, again, all of these things can be combined, by checking them off. And getting the list to be filtered smaller. You also can say what not to include. So if I wanted to see all of the doc types except email, I can change this little plus sign on the left here to a minus sign. And I can say I don't want to see the emails. So now I'm going to see everything up here that does not have a document type of email. And if I wanted to see everything but all the different things except maybe all the documents that I was the author on, I want to see everybody else but me. Again, just changing that to a negative, and then I'm going to block all of the documents that I was the author on. Now I'm seeing everybody else's. So it's just a little helpful thing if you need to, not see things, or if you want to see things, you can click on those and filter that list very quickly to see those documents that filter pertains to. When you're done with that, let's say you filtered out that list and you have that, you can click on this little arrow that points down and you'll get back to your full list. Otherwise, if you're in the filter view, you're going to see that. You can drag it down to make it a little smaller, which means then you'll just scroll over here to see all the fields. But that is available there for you to quickly find documents. I hope this eBite's been helpful for you. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to give us a call or visit our website. Thanks.